Installing the Blue Prism, we required some specific system requirement, that is RAM, ROM, and Windows. So minimum requirement in the RAM is the 8 GB. You can refer this slide also. And previous we need to install the SQL Server, but as of now we no need to install the SQL Server. Yes, we required to install the SQL Server 2012 and 14 or 17 and need to configure to the Blue Prism. But as of now, here it will be automatically created the SQL Server database, that is the local database, and it will be also configure the date with the Blue Prism application. Now we need to log in into the digital exchange.blueprism.com and register on this portal. Then we will see that. We will see this part later on. You can also refer this instruction and you can achieve this part, how we can install the part. Later we will see that. Once you log in into the digital exchange.blueprism.com, this page will be appear. Now you need to go to the here you should click here the login and registration option. So you should click on the registration option. So once you click, it will be open and it will be ask your email ID, username and password and other details like the first name, last name and country. And let's start for that from starting. So I have entered the our email ID, personal email ID, and according to you, you can enter here the username as per your desire. You can select here the username and password. You can select the it is the same password will be entered for the both places. And now you can enter the first name your and last name also, and job title as you are, if you are a student or a developer, so you can write here the developer also. Write here the job title and country. You can select which country you belongs. So I'm selecting here the India. You can select and accept and just mathematic questions here, so you can add and create the account. Once you click on the create a new account, it will be sent automatically in your email ID one link, and we need to activate that link. You will receive one email from the Blue Prism. In that email there is a two link. The first one you can activate this link, and the second one you need to update the more details, so that you will be get the activation key from the Blue Prism. So let's open the first link and we will see that. Once you open the first link, it will be open this portal and go to product section, and you find here the Blue Prism Enterprise, and here there is a trial edition and learning edition. The trial edition is for the 13 days and the learning edition is for the 90 days. So both for the both edition the installation method is same. For as of now I am downloading the trial edition. So once you click in the trial edition, you find the below here the download 64-bit additional. So once you click here, it will download the automatically on the in your browser. This link will be sent you in your email ID which you have registered in the previous one. There is a activation key on that email. So while you are configuring the Blue Prism, at the time we require that one. Once you downloaded the file, it will be show in your folder, the downloaded folder. Here I have downloaded in the music folder. So if you see here, once you click here the double click, automatically create the database. So click next. So here in the previous what happened, we need to install the SQL server. So here now no need to install the SQL server here, so it will be automatically creating the database instance here. Yes, now it is created. Now we click on the next. It will automatically launch. If you go to here in configure, you can see here the local database. So you can close it and you can type admin and password whatever you have. Enter the password here. So now it will be asked to you license versions. So for the license of once you log in into your email ID, you can see here the one file is there. So this file is the license key. You can select this the license version here and click to next, and it will be click next and finish. Now it will be so the all the instruction. You can go to the home page studio also, you can see here. Now it will work and your license will be for the 1 month. I have